Welcome to Best Choice. The best steering wheel repair is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of car maintenance, until you're staring at a cracked, worn, or otherwise damaged steering wheel. A damaged steering wheel not only detracts from the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle's interior, but it can also compromise your driving experience and even pose a safety risk. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steering wheel repair, exploring the best methods and products to restore your wheel to its former glory. Number 5. COCONIX Leather Care Pro Black Repair Kit. Tired of scratches and tears on your favorite leather items? This kit is designed to repair damage and make them look brand new again. It's a simple solution to restore your furniture. Unlike other complicated kits, this one is super easy to use. Just apply it and wait for the magic to happen. You'll be amazed at how simple the process is. This kit can match any shade of gray or black. It's perfect for repairing car seats, steering wheels, and more. It offers a wide range of applications. Don't throw away your favorite couch or jacket. This kit can bring new life to your faux leather items. It's a cost-effective way to restore your belongings. Get professional-looking results with this vinyl furniture repair kit. It's designed to provide a high-quality finish. You'll be impressed with the outcome. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It can be used on various leather and vinyl items, saving you money on replacements. If you have scratches, tears, or fading on your steering wheel or other leather items, this is the perfect solution. It will bring them back to life. What people say. The steering wheel repair kit worked perfectly. The leather repair came out great. The color match was perfect. Number 4. DRTULZ Black Leather Recoloring Balm. This advanced formula is designed to deeply penetrate leather surfaces. It repairs cracks, restores elasticity, and renews the original texture. It seamlessly fills imperfections, giving it a like-new look and feel. This product is perfect for various items. It works great on car seats, steering wheels, sofas, shoes, boots, and more. It meets diverse restoration needs for all your leather, from automotive interiors to household items. This leather dye makes fast and easy DIY repairs. It repairs damaged leather, scratches, fading, and general wear and tear. It dries fast, is waterproof, and won't rub off, and there is no bad smell. This black leather polish contains natural oils. It penetrates the pores of your leather, making your leather couches look shiny and new. Just apply it to the leather and allow it to air dry or use a hairdryer to speed up the process. This leather scratch remover is ideal for restoring color to faded and scratched leather. It's odor-free, waterproof, and leaves no sticky residue. It's super easy to use, making it simple to restore leather sofas or any leather product. What we like. This balm revitalizes your leather items with its advanced formula, deeply penetrating the surface. It's designed for easy DIY repairs, restoring color to faded and scratched leather. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to restore the color and appearance of your steering wheel, this product is the ideal choice. What people say. The application was incredibly straightforward. After a thorough cleaning, I applied the balm with the included sponge, and with just a few coats, the deep, rich black color was restored, and the leather felt incredibly soft and supple, making it look like a brand new steering wheel. Great product. Easy to use. We cleaned the panel, and we sanded cleaned the steering wheel for prep. Terrific results. Excellent product, works really well, easy to use, repairs and softens leather, may need more than one coat but can acquire very good finish. Number 3. Bars Leaks Power Steering Repair It. Is your power steering noisy or hard to turn? This product is designed to fix those issues. It contains special additives to address common power steering problems. This product helps stop leaks and reconditions your rack and pinion. You can add it when your fluid is low or during a fluid change. It works on all vehicles, both domestic and import models. You can expect improved performance after using this product. It's compatible with all types of power steering fluid, including petroleum, mineral oil, and synthetic formulas. It provides added protection for your power steering system. This product is designed to repair your power steering system. It is compatible with all types of power steering fluid or ATF. What we like. This product reduces noise and smooths out hard steering, improving your driving experience. It also stops leaks and reconditions the rack and pinion, ensuring your power steering system functions optimally. If you're experiencing power steering issues like noise or leaks, you should consider this product to restore performance. What people say. I have a 2006 Toyota Sequoia and it was hard to steer at slow speeds, like in a parking lot. I replaced all the fluid with this full bottle and the steering is butter smooth and effortless at all times. The power steering is also whisper quiet. After I used about half the container and turned the steering wheel one time from lock to lock, the noise instantly stopped and it has been about 2 weeks with no noise and no loss in fluid either. The steering immediately seemed less heavy, however that also could be resulting from having compatible fluid added. After a month of topping up, steering issues are less as well as leakage. The time between topping up seems to have gotten larger and larger, meaning I am needing to top up the steering fluid less frequently. Result. Number 2. HUSUKU Cruise Control Switch Kit for Ford Ranger. This is a brand new cruise control switch kit from HUSUKU. It is designed to replace your old or damaged switches. It will make your driving experience much easier. This kit fits various Ford and Mercury models from 1998 to 2005, including the Ranger, Explorer, and Mountaineer. Make sure it is compatible with your vehicle before purchasing. This will be a perfect fit for your car. The kit replaces part numbers SW5928, F87Z9C888BB, and F87A9D809BA. This ensures a direct and reliable replacement for your original switches. It is a perfect replacement. The package includes both right and left steering wheel cruise control switches. It also comes with all necessary harnesses, terminals, and an O-ring connector. Everything you need is included. The switches are 100% brand new, easy to install, and made of high-quality materials. They are lightweight, rust-proof, and durable, ensuring perfect performance and high reliability. You can use it for a long time. The steering wheel cruise control system reduces driver workload on long trips and saves fuel. It uses fully electronic settings to maintain speed and distance, enhancing safety. It is a very useful function. What we like. This kit is easy to install, making it a convenient upgrade for your vehicle. It enhances safety by maintaining speed and distance, reducing driver fatigue. If you like long drives and want to make your driving experience safer and more comfortable, this is a must-have. What people say. Looks and fits like original. Lights up when headlights on. Easy install. Number 1. Furniture Clinic Leather Steering Wheel Repair Kit. Is your steering wheel looking worn? This kit is designed to help you restore and repair it. It's an all-in-one solution for bringing your leather steering wheel back to life. This kit has everything you need to repair, restore, and recolor your leather steering wheel. It includes all the necessary products and accessories for a complete restoration. The repair process is simple and user-friendly. Designed with the DIY user in mind, it allows you to achieve professional results at home. This kit is perfect for fixing any damage to your steering wheel. It can restore any old, worn, or faded leather steering wheel. The repairs are robust and designed to last. You can achieve near-invisible repairs that will provide a long-lasting restoration for your steering wheel. The kit contains professional-grade products, including a leather degreaser, alcohol-based cleaner, leather binder, and self-seal colorant. It has everything you need to get the job done. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to repair and restore your leather steering wheel in one package. It features an easy 5-step process designed for DIY users, ensuring professional results. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution to repair tears, scuffs, and scratches on your steering wheel, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It turned out great. I don't know about the longevity of it, but after that last coat it was very uniform and pretty close to the original texture of a steering wheel. Great product, instructions are easy to follow and makes my steering wheel look 100 times better for under $40 bucks. You can get rid of much of the scratches imperfections through the initial sanding, and fill in any worn leather spots with the paint at the end. Took some time and care but made my original scarred up 1988 MR2 steering wheel look like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.